Welcome class 10. Let's continue the same chapter, that is acidic system. Till now we have learned about the kidney, internal structure of kidney, structure of nephron, blood supply to the kidney. So after learning about blood supply to the kidney, then we have learned about abnormalities, okay, in the composition of urine, about the urine, urochrome. So this topic we have already completed. Now we need to learn the next topic, that is regulation of urine output. You might have observed that during the summer season, the urine is highly concentrated. We excrete very less amount of urine, and during winter season, we excrete large amount of urine, which is highly diluted. Okay, now how this urine, the amount of urine which we excrete, is regulated by our body, that we are going to discuss here in this topic. Now, you need to first understand about ADH hormone, that is antidiuretic hormone. Okay, antidiuretic hormone which is mainly secreted by posterior lobe of pituitary gland. About the endocrine gland, we will be learning in the last chapter, endocrine system, control and coordination in human being. There will be studying, but here in brief we will be learning, that is posterior lobe. Now see this posterior lobe of pituitary gland. This pituitary gland mainly present in the brain. Okay, and the posterior, it has the lobes like anterior lobe and posterior lobe. Okay, posterior lobe is mainly responsible for secreting the hormone ADH. Okay, ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone. Antidiuretic hormone. Now this antidiuretic hormone, what it does is that during summer season, large amount of antidiuretic hormone is released by pituitary gland, and as a result, what happens is that this ADH hormone makes the wall of DCT. About DCT, distal convoluted tubule, we have already learned, makes the wall of DCT permeable to water. Otherwise, the DCT, the wall of the DCT, once again let us recalculate DCT. This one is DCT. DCT, distal convoluted tubule. Okay. Now see, usually this DCT remains impermeable to water, but when during summer season, when we perspire, okay, a lot of sweat and all, so the water in our body get deficient. Okay, so in order to regulate the amount of water in the blood or in the body, okay, this ADH hormone is released by posterior pituitary gland. Then this wall of DCT becomes permeable to water, and a large amount of water is reabsorbed from the glomerular filter rate. Okay, due to this reason, during summer season, the urine which we excrete is highly concentrated and it is in less amount. Okay, then again after that, during winter season, whatever the ADH hormone is not released. Okay, or if it is released, then it is always released in less amount. So because of this DCT remains impermeable to water. So that is why, okay, that is why water is not reabsorbed from the glomerular filter rate. So because of this reason, a large amount of urine which is highly diluted by the water is excreted from our body. Okay, so this is about the regulation of urine output by ADH hormone. That is, role of ADH hormone is regulating urine output, okay, during summer and winter season. Now next term is there, that is osmoregulation. Osmoregulation, which is one of the function of kidney. Okay, osmoregulation, as it is mentioned in the book also, it is the regulation of osmotic pressure of blood. Now what does it mean? Osmotic pressure of blood means the electrolytic concentration, the ions, which must be present, the right amount of iron must be present in the blood, and at the same time, right amount of water must be present in the blood. Okay, right amount of water must be present, and this one is regulated by the kidney. Okay, the regulation of the amount of electrolyte and water in the blood is mainly called as the osmoregulation. Now after that we will come to the next, that is function of kidney. Function of kidney, there are two main functions I have included here. The first one is kidney helps in excreting waste material in the form of urea, uric acid, like that. Then again, the second one is it helps in osmoregulation, that is maintaining the balance, maintain the electrolytic balance and water balance in the blood. Okay, so this is about the regulation of urine output, osmoregulation, function of kidney. Now we have the last topic in this chapter, that is artificial kidney. See students, when a person's both the kidney fails, if one kidney fails, then another kidney is able to excrete the nitrogen waste from the body. But if both the kidney fails, then what that person has to do is that his blood must be purified by using certain machines which are called artificial machine. So simply to define, artificial kidney is actually the machine which is used to purify the blood. Okay, when both the kidney of a person fails. When dialysis is the process of purifying the blood, okay, by using artificial kidney or artificial machine. So this is how you can define artificial kidney dialysis. Many times it has been asked. I think in this video this much we have completed this chapter. So in the next video we will be starting a new chapter, that is nervous system. Thank you.